Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing some maintenance for the Corvette. Have a track day coming up in not this coming weekend but next weekend. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my power stock track day pads, do an oil change, put new brake fluid. I did change from the Hankook R4s. I got new Continentals, so pretty excited to try those. Let's see how those do on the track. Yeah, other than that, the car's been pretty good. Just doing some preventive maintenance and ready to go. But it is a beautiful day, so I'm gonna go bike ride real quick, and then I'll keep on working on the car. I mean, shouldn't be too hard. So made it to my house there. Gonna go for a quick ride before I keep on prepping the Vette. So. Oh yeah, it's beautiful weather. It's gonna start getting a little hot, but I think it's already enough for me to get a good ride in. See you guys in a bit. Before. Woo. Oh yeah. Oh, that was good. That was even scary. back from my bike ride. Made it back home. I'm actually gonna start working on the car now. I'm gonna do these. I also have my side mount bracket for my seat. I'm gonna do that. I just did a partial job at the moment just to get it on, but I've had the side mount for a while, so I'm gonna mount it properly so it doesn't move on me or I get a more solid feel. Probably gonna do the track day pads already too. I'll probably be driving it for this week and next week, kind of like set them in and get that compound on the rotor. Oh yeah, other than that, I mean, just a quick oil change, and I'm excited. I'm gonna be driving a new track to me. I haven't driven MSR Crescent, so I'll see how I do. I think I'm ready to start pushing the car, so I'm excited for that. Hopefully you guys liked the video. If you did, hit like, comment, subscribe. See ya.